Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem crawler log folder. So the LeetCode file system keeps a log each time some user perform a change folder operation. The operations are described below. If it is // move the parent folder of the current folder. So we have to move from the current folder to the parent folder. And if you are already in the main folder, remain in the same folder. So if we reach in the root of the directory path, so then we can't go more up, so we will keep in the same. So this is very important point here. And if it is // we don't have to do anything, we just keep into the same folder. If it is x/, then we need to move into the x folder, and the folder guaranteed to be always exists. So you are given a list of string logs where logs of I is the operation performed in the ith step. The file system starts from the main folder, then operation in logs are performed. Return the minimum number of operation needed to go back to the main folder after the change folder operation. So instead of looking back to the minimum number, we will see how far we are going from the main folder. So for example 1, here is a directory 1. So from main folder we will move into the directory 1, then we directory 2, from directory 1 we will move into the directory 2, and there is a operation // so then we will move one step back, which is on the parent directory, from directory 2 to the directory 1. So this is here directory 1. Now again we have to go in directory 21 d21, so we will go in one step more down in the tree. So d21 and // we will keep into here. So we came out like 2 step down from the main folder, so we have to return here 2. Similarly this one. So first we have to go directory 1 d1, then d2, then we need to keep continue, then d3, then we come back to d2, then we need to go d3. So we went into 3 directory down, so which is 3. Similarly this one is d1, we will go in d1 first, then parent. So once we came to the main folder, we can't go anywhere else. So all these other two, this will be not useful. So we need to keep in into the main folder itself. So how we will solve this? So this is very straightforward problem if you understand it clearly. So we will find the depth, basically how the depth we are going into the directory system. So we will iterate through all the logs, let's say string logs, log in logs, and we will check first if log dot equals, if this is the case of, like if we have single // then we will just keep continue, there is no need to do change. And else if our log dot equals // so one path back. So here we have to check if we will go one path up, so depth minus we will go up. And we also need to check if we reach into the, if we reach into the main folder, then we just keep into the main folder. So this is the step here, which is important one. Otherwise we just keep else depth ++. So this is when we are going to the nested directory downside in the directory system file folder system, then we will return the depth. So this is, let's try all test cases here in once go and see 230, which is expected. Let's submit this code and it is expected. The time complexity is the length of the logs, and the order space complexity of 1. If you like my solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep watching.